Ambient Alchemy follows a team unveiling a bio-inspired metamaterial that harvests energy from tiny thermal and vibrational cues all around us in daily life. They weave flexible sensors with self-repairing fabrics, turning everyday movement into power for wearables and small devices on the go. Field tests show a 20% boost in long-term battery life for remote sensors, without added bulk or risk. Industry leaders rush to adapt, while researchers map safety, recyclability, and scalable manufacturing paths to turn this into mainstream tech. As prototypes roll out, the narrative hints at a future where energy flows as quietly and inseparably as breath.